Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 28. This is Section 2.1, Problem 28. It says convert the mixed number 5 and 7/16 to an improper fraction. So by improper fraction, we don't want a fraction that has a larger numerator than denominator. So to do that conversion, we will multiply the denominator times the whole number in front. So that multiplication will be 16 times 5, which will give me a result of 80. I take the result that I get, which in this case is 80, and add it to the numerator that's on the fraction. So that would be 80 plus 7 more, which is 87. So the numerator of my improper fraction is 87, and the denominator stays the same. In the mixed number form it was 16, so in the improper fraction form it will still be 16. So my answer is 87 over 16. 5 and 7/16 is equivalent to 87 over 16.